This is my first time trying a hummingbird cake. It has 3 layers and with cream cheese all inside of it. There is this kind of sauce on the side as well. Not sure what it is, and let's give it a try. So the middle cakey part is actually not as soft as I expected. It's like a harder texture. And the cake part is not very spongy. I believe it's made with banana and pecan. And then let's try this sauce. Maybe it's a caramelized sauce with pineapple and banana. Pineapple and banana. And there's a little bit of a strawberry. I guess my favorite part is probably the cream cheese frosting. I am not a huge fan with the cake part, but maybe you will like it if you like harder kind of cake. Cream cheese is good though.